Recently, new refrigerants have been introduced to replace the ones that are currently being used in many AC systems. These changes are happening quickly, and it's important for homeowners to understand the potential implications. In 2003, when the last major refrigerant change occurred, the industry had a few years to adapt. But this time, the introduction of R32 and 454A refrigerants, the transition is happening almost immediately, leaving little to no time for manufacturers and service providers to adjust. So what does this mean for you? In the past, if your AC system needed a part replaced, you could mix and match the components to keep things running temporarily. However, with these new refrigerants, that may no longer be an option. If your system requires a part replacement, you might need a full system overhaul to ensure compatibility with the new refrigerant standards. As manufacturers start rolling out new equipment to meet these updated standards, prices are expected to rise. That's why it's important to stay informed and plan ahead if you're considering a system replacement or upgrade. If your current system is getting older, or you've been thinking about an upgrade, it might be a wise decision to act sooner rather than later. This way you can avoid the potential price increases and ensure your home stays comfortable and efficient. We know these changes can be overwhelming, but being informed is the first step in making the right decision for your home and family. Stay tuned for more updates and make sure to reach out to a trusted HVAC professional if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you for watching, and remember, keeping your home comfortable starts with being informed.